Hey guys, today let's learn how to change YouTube channel name before 14 days. So if you guys want to go ahead and change your YouTube channel name before 14 days, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Now, all we need to do first is to basically go ahead and make sure that we have a YouTube application. Go ahead and launch the YouTube app, and what we need to do here is to go ahead and of course log into our preferred channels, and let's tap on the top right corner to access our channel options. Now, once you're already here, I would like you guys to go ahead and tap on your channel. And as you see, you're going to have this options. What we want to do from here is to go ahead and tap on the option called edit channel. And that is going to be shown as well with this icon right here, which is a pencil mark. So once you're here, of course, what we can do from here in order for us to change our name is to go ahead and just tap on this name option, also again on the pencil mark. And as you see, you can now go ahead and change your name right here. And basically, you can have, of course, a few tries to basically have, well, a change of name. And as you see, there is going to be a warning that you can change your name twice in 14 days. So if you want to go ahead and change your name, go ahead and just do so. Let's say, let's change this to like another username. So let's go ahead and think of another one, 100, and tap on save. And as you see, that's how we could actually now save that new username right there. And you would basically need to know that you have to change names before waiting for 14 days to change again. So basically that gives you quite a few chances before you go ahead and finalize your real name or your final name on your channel to basically think about it and see if that is going to be the best name for your channel. So you basically have to, think about it very thoroughly before you go ahead and finalize, because you only have 2 chances within that 14 days. Now you've got to also be aware that after the 14 days has been elapsed, of course you can change your name once more, but it is going to be a time-consuming thing to do. So you got to go ahead and impart some knowledge, some critical thinking, and to basically think a viable and your best choice of a username that you can choose for your own YouTube channel. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How to Tech and Tutorials.